Hello there, we're going to go through the windmill. It's a great exercise for the torso, especially with anybody with lower back pain, and also good shoulder mobility exercise as well. So squat down, grab your kettlebell or your dumbbell, and then hold the weight high above the head. So you've got to keep this arm straight all the way through. We're going to be leaning over to the left side this time, so the opposite side to the weight that you're holding. Point the feet ever so slightly towards the side you're going to be leaning towards, and then push the bum out and leaning down as far as you can. So get past the knee, fingers to the toes, knuckles to the toes, fists to the toes, going lower as we can. Keep that arm up straight for as long as we can. And then lifting the torso, keeping the arm up, and stand. If we want to go again, away we go. We can alternate here by changing arms and then go down on the other side. Requires a little bit of foot movement as well. So alternate, feet change, alternate. You can do this body weight as well, but really make sure to keep that arm up. It can be a little bit tempting to let the arm fall. So fingers pointing as high as we can, really reach. Come down, 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 fingers reaching as low as we can manage, and then back up. Do that for the number of time or reps prescribed in your program.